Brr, I need some winter boots. Speaking of faux fur, I found some amazing faux fur comfy boots at yeswevibe.com. Yes We Vibe is a company that strives to spread good vibes, smiles, and inspiration all over the world. These comfy boots are custom printed and you can find them in a bunch of amazing colors and styles. These boots happen to be micro suede on the outside and then faux fur on the inside. These boots are water resistant. Look at this bottom sole, like how sturdy and anti-slip these are, especially in these icy winters. They also have a memory EVA insole for maximum comfortability. They've got real stitching on the outside, flexible rubber, and a steel toe. These are the perfect winter boots, and you can get them at yeswevibe.com.